Hey guys, so I'm going to be sharing with you guys, the colors with you guys, just in case you guys would like to buy some. You guys know I'm obsessed with Kylie Cosmetics lip kits, so let's get right into it. So the first box comes like this. I'm sorry, I just took it out. A little too excited. So it comes like this. It's in a pink box. Then you open it. It says Kylie Jenner and whatnot. And then she shares a cute little picture. And then these are the colors that I got. I got Malibu, which looks like this. And then Posy K, which looks like this. Getting these, I really didn't know what color they were gonna come out to be, but I just got it because I really like the color, but I feel like Malibu is gonna be too muted on me, but we will see. And then I got another one because I couldn't help it. It's the same way, different colors. I got Mary Jo K, which is a bright red, and apricot, which looks like that. I don't know why I'm out of breath right now. I feel like I'm doing this like really fast, but anyway, I'm gonna be trying them on for you guys. One of them is Malibu. It comes with the lip liner and it looks like this. Really cute packaging. I've actually never gotten the lip kits before, so it's my first time getting. Okay, so I'm gonna be trying on Malibu for you guys. So this color is muted. I really hope I really like it, because if not, I'm probably gonna give it away. So, wow. The liner is really smooth. Maybe I should color it in a little bit. Okay. I really like it. And then, wow, the packaging is totally different than the one that I had. That's so weird. Okay. I can work with this color. It kind of reminds me of Blankety from MAC. 1 second. Turn my fan on. So this is how it looks. It's very pretty. I don't know. I feel like I can work with it. What do you guys think? Do you guys like it? It's a pretty color. I think you guys should try it out. Malibu. It's actually very popular on her site, so that's one. This is probably gonna make my lips so dry right now, so I'm gonna be cleaning it off. Ugh. I'm not too excited about this part. It is what it is. Please don't mind the way I look right now. Alright, I'm gonna try apricot. I'm very excited about this color actually. It's a peachy color. I love peachy colors, so let's do it. So, we are going to do apricot, lip liner. I really like the lip liner. I'm actually happy it's not that mechanical looking lip liners. I hate those. They run out so quick and you can't even get like a sharp edge like that. Okay. Obviously I'm looking there because the mirror is right there. I don't know how I lip lined, but we'll just go with it. So it looks like that with the lip liner. I'm really excited about this color. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh. I'm obsessed. Okay. Wow. This is probably gonna be my favorite color to wear every day. I'm really into peaches and oh my, and yeah, that is peaches for you guys. Very pretty peach color. I feel like I say peach so much in my videos, it's not even funny. Like when I watch my videos, I hear myself saying peach like 20 times in each video. Peachy peach. Anyway, so I'm going to be putting on, I know red is really hard to take off, so I'll leave red for my last. I'm gonna do Posy K next. So we're just gonna take this off. Oh my god, it's so pretty when it just like dries down. Too pretty. Oh my god, okay. I'm obsessed. BRB. Ready. So next I'm going to be doing Posy K, which looks like this. It's like a purplish color. I was honestly expecting this to be pink. I don't know why. It kind of reminds me of Rebel from MAC, but we will see. This is what it looks like. Very pretty. Oh, it is kind of pink. Oh yeah, it's perfect. Well, I mean, in the camera it looks purple, but in person it looks like pink. That went well. Alrighty. So, ooh, what is going on? Way too much. Right? Cute. I mean, it said that this is like really popular. I just maybe. I don't know how I feel about it. Is that weird? So this is what it looks like. Maybe when we will wait till it dries up matte. Excuse my nails, they're like so messed up. I'm gonna get it done soon. I feel like I can work with it. It's very mauvey, purpley. No pink to it at all. None whatsoever. It's a perfect color for fall, to be honest. So yeah, this is Posy. It's true to color. Literally true to color. I think all of them are actually. Apricot was true to color. Honestly, I'm impressed. That's all I have to say. Impressed. It's perfect for fall. Not gonna lie. Perfect for fall. I feel like this color honestly, all of these colors would look so good. Alrighty, let's get on to Mary Jo K. This is like really, really popular for a red. I'm not gonna lie, I love Ruby Woo from MAC. So let's see if this tops it off. So I'm just gonna be taking this off. Oh yeah, I'm really loving this color. It's a very pretty color. Okay, so we are going to be doing Mary Jo K. She named that after her grandma, I believe. Ooh, girl, this is gorgeous. OMG. Okay. I love the lip liners a lot. It's a plus. So this is what it looks like. I think I showed you guys it 50 million times, but it's fine. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay, I'm obsessed. You have to be so careful with red, like, I literally... Oh my god, I'm so obsessed. Okay. So this is what it looks like. Very pretty. True to color. Maybe the box is a little more pinkish if I'm not mistaken. I don't know. But wow, this is such a pretty red. This literally looks like Ruby Woo, except it has, I believe it has pink undertone, if I'm not mistaken. It is so pretty. Alrighty guys, so this is all of my Kylie Jenner lip kits, and I'm literally obsessed. I cannot wait to like just, I think I should show you guys the boxes. So you guys should definitely check these out. And yeah, gotta love these lip kits. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, if you do, subscribe, comment, and like. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.